Is something missing?
Yeah.
Today we're being real scrappy and we're turning this old handrail that I took out of the house and cleaning it up, turning it into something new and oops, pretty. So let's go. Oh boy, it's way under there. Well, there she is, not the prettiest looking thing, but there's some dents and dings. But that's what we're working with. Restoring old to new. And then we have this hardware. I don't mind it, so we'll see if we can fix that up too. Pretty stout brass, I don't know. Maybe paint it black. So I have all the hardware off, and now you can kind of see it's pretty dinged up. But first thing I want to do is cut these ends off. I want to square them off to make that look nice, because I don't know, it's kind of a weird angle on this. They have it this way and then they have a little gangle on it. For you safety folks out there, there you go. Oh, no power. All right, there's nothing too special with this. You saw taking off those two ends. Now, I just gotta do a lot of sanding. I'm gonna start out with some 60 grit. Yeah, 60, eat it up. And see where we go from there. That might take a little bit. So I'll show you first, just the start of that. And then obviously it's the same thing over and over again. So I'm not gonna show that whole part. So yeah, let's line up the holes. Let's do that. Oh yeah, that's eating her up real nice. Sanding inside these grooves really sucks. I'm kind of having to tilt it and then sand at an angle at the same time. Okay, she's looking pretty. Check this out. Oops. Now I just got to do, I'm going to go down to another grit, maybe 120. Make it nice and smooth on the hands. And we'll go from there. Oh, that's nice and smooth. 120 grit. Very nice. Okay, check that bad boy out now. Nice, sanded up. Time to put some sort of stain on there. Okay, so we are completely sanded up. Now it's time to throw a little sand on there. Sand? Throw some sand on it. Yeah, Lee, let's throw some sand on it. Stain it. Let's stain this puppy now. So I'm more of a wood guy, and metal's not really my forte. So there's, I don't know, there's some paint on here. So what I'm doing is just sanding off that paint a little bit, and hoping that maybe if I sand a little, it'll possibly grab that spray paint a little better. I have some black spray paint that I want to put on here to make these black. I don't know if that's right or wrong. Who knows? We'll see. Let me know if it's wrong. If there's something you're supposed to do with metal or brass in particular that you're supposed to do before you paint it. I don't know. Giving this a shot. Before, after. Before, after. Got ourselves some good old Rust-Oleum fast drying outdoor paint. See if that does the trick. Make sure to breathe in. Can you guys see that? And make sure you hold where you just hold it on where you just sprayed, so then your fingerprints get on there real nice, like. Very nice. Okay. Why wasn't I just putting it down like this the whole time? Why was I holding it? What a doorknob. And these little guys right here. Oh gosh, I'm running out. And we'll let those guys dry. Oh dang, not too shabby. And we have some of this for this stain, for you who like the dark walnut, right here, dark walnut. That's going to be for the stain for this nice piece of wood today. Okay, there you go, very nice. A brush would be so much more nice. Or maybe a bigger sponge brush. Look at that little tiny thing. Why am I using this? I don't know. You gotta commit sometimes. She's nice and stained. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry. Beautiful. Doesn't it look so beautiful? All right, fast forward. We'll fast forward to when it dries. So I was just reading the directions, and it says in bold letters, do not apply using a bristle or foam brush. Oops. Okay, so now that has to dry. Next, we're gonna put on some clear coat. After that, it's got to dry for like 3 hours though. So. I'm gonna try to get it more in the sun. Okay, it's been about 3 hours. Time to put on the gloss, the the finish. And yeah, she's looking nice though. Looks like I did it with a sponge brush instead of a cloth, like I wasn't supposed to. Huh? I am conjurió. All right, for this round, doing a little gloss. And yes, I'm using a sponge again. The thing about it, sometimes, you know, you just gotta use the stuff you have. I think I say that more often than not. Because more often than not, I have things that I can use. But I don't have the perfect things to use. So, yeah. This is what we're doing. Very nice. Very, very nice. So the thing with the stain, the thing about it is I did it with this sponge brush, but it kind of calls for to do it with a cloth because you're supposed to wipe off most of it to show the, oh, nice bugs, to show the wood grain a lot better. But your boy just doesn't want to do things right a lot of the time and just gets them done. So, so that's what happened there. But I think it's still gonna look pretty good. So if you want to do it right, do it with a cloth, wipe the stuff off, and then wait 3 hours. And don't wait 2.5 hours, don't wait 2 hours, wait 3 hours. But sometimes just don't want to follow the rules. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Now I gotta wait for that to dry. Jeez. Meanwhile, we have dry hardware over here, which that turned out really nice. Not the backside, obviously, but as you can see, I sprayed it nice and evenly. You guys saw. Another thing I realized didn't do yet, screw heads. Gotta spray paint those. I spent about 20 minutes for that clear coat. Do you guys think it's good? I think so. I think so. Okay. That looks mighty fine. Look at that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, Okay. All right. We have her in place. Well, ready. But now, mark out our reference points where we're gonna screw in, and I'm gonna need a helping hand. Since this is for my little ones, the minimum height you can put a hand railing at is about 30 inches from the stair tread to the top of the handrail. So I'm gonna do 30 inches. You guys remember this lady?
Hey. I'm a stranger to the world.
All right, now just gotta add all the screws. Not too shabby. Not too shabby, I'd say. That is a nice combo with the white and the gray. The nice dark walnut color. Mm-hmm. Very nice. So I'm actually able to, I didn't talk about finding the studs at all, because I'm actually able to put these wherever I want on the wall. Because on this old school place, there's this inch paneling that's on the inside, just on the inside of this sheetrock. So I'm figuring that's more than enough to hold these screws in. Yeah, so if you were wondering about that, that's kind of my thought process there. But that's it. That's it for the video. I just wanted to show you guys me installing this, or kind of restoring this hand railing. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you really liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, more videos like this, why not subscribe? See you on the next one. Works pretty nice. You better subscribe. You better subscribe now. Subscribe. Please subscribe to the video, or to my channel.